so down, and she was ready, more than ready, to call it quits, and somehow her coach, Mihai Breshchin, was able to say, how can you give up now? You can't, you're too great. You know, it's not so much what Alicia does on floor, it's how she does it. Watch how high her body position is when she lands. Is both feet out of bounds, 0.3 of a point.